There's a reason neutral bathrooms never feel tiring to look at. They don't try to impress you in the first 5 seconds. They invite you to slow down. Unlike bold interiors, a neutral bathroom doesn't compete for attention. It creates emotional space, and that's something modern luxury values more than decoration. These bathrooms are designed to be lived with, not photographed once. Their beauty reveals itself gradually, through light moving across surfaces, through textures you notice only when you pause. What makes them feel expensive is predictability. You always know how the space will feel. Calm, clean, grounded. There are no visual surprises, and that consistency is a luxury. Neutral bathrooms also age differently. They don't belong to a specific year, trend, or mood. They quietly adapt to the person using them, changing not in style, but in atmosphere. And perhaps the most overlooked detail, these spaces reduce decision fatigue. Nothing demands your judgment. Nothing asks, "Do you like me?" Instead, everything simply works together, effortlessly, silently. That's why neutral bathrooms feel expensive, not because of what they show, but because of what they remove. Noise, pressure, urgency. And in today's world, that kind of calm is the ultimate form of luxury. If you love these ideas, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for spending this time with me. Stay creative, and may your home always be chic.